Darby really winding up and leaning in with those elbow strikes. He's got Yuta on the chairs. Orange Cassidy, Daniel Garcia brawling around the ring. Darby Allin. Like he was shot from a cannon.
He couldn't make Darby Allin quit.
And John Moxley really showed his true colors that night. But the coward and bully that he is in match. Daniel Garcia really, Darby Allin from, and Wheeler Yuta. Battling it out in the stands.
More, I want to see more punches.
Quick match. Double swing and a miss. Drop kick. Orange Cassidy up on the table.
Oh yeah, now Wheeler's climbing up to the top rope.
Wheeler Yuta! Presented by DC, but Darby Allin, the low blow. Yuta, he was too focused on Orange Cassidy, to your point, Brian. And now Orange Cassidy diving DDT!
Yeah, nobody deserves that more than Wheeler Yuta. Coffin drop!
Darby Allin drops Garcia to the floor. Now Cassidy on the move. DDT. No. Cassidy, soul food. Throw back to Chuck Taylor. Another guy to the